here. Daddy wraps things very well. There we go. Now you can get your knife and everything.
Maybe doing.
She's helping. Just like you helped her. Good job.
Whoa!
Oh, what is it?
A red one.
The red one? Is it the red big book?
A red zoo.
The red put me in the zoo?
There'll be no present. Another one?
Another one? Yeah, we can open another one.
Another two. Right.
Now we're in the spirit of opening. That one's for Bianca. Here, this one's for Klaus. There's another Reed present for Klaus. Here, Bianca, you want to open one? This one's for you, Sissy. Good job.
I think Daddy did a little too well on Klaus's. Sorry.
Oh. Daddy is an excellent rapper. But sometimes he's too excellent. There you go, girl. Good job.
Mama Sister Bell.
That's right, Mama and Sister Bell. It's okay, buddy. Look, girl, the hungry caterpillar. You should see her eyes. Hungry caterpillar.
I have a caterpillar.
Oh, hold on.
No, I saw
Well, that's
this.
Sissy's. Can
No.
Sissy look at it a second?
No, mine.
You got Mama Bear and Sister Bear to look at. Can you look at Babby's?
I think it may even have the big green-eyed monster in there.
Doesn't have green-eyed monster. It's got some other good ones. Bearstein Bears? Say it's not my caterpillar, Mama. I want my caterpillar back. Bear book.
Oh.